Hello friends, please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get latest notifications from our channel. Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to unbox LG Bluetooth portable speaker. Okay, let's start this video. In the side in the back we get specifications, model number, manufacture date, MRP, and so many things. And it has a ambient lighting mode. It has maximum bass speakers, and we can receive and accept calls, reject calls, and we can continue with the calls in this Bluetooth speaker. Okay, let's unbox this. Mainly, first we will get specification box, where in which we will get warranty card and user manual. Next section, we will get the speaker and USB charging port cable. Here's the speaker. Let's keep it aside. Let's keep the Bluetooth speaker aside, and let's look into the USB charging port cable. One end is micro USB cable and another end is type A, and its length is almost half a meter. Now let's come to the USB speaker, Bluetooth speaker. We'll get glass around it. At the top there is it's the speaker grill, and we got mic in it. Here's the mic, and here is the Bluetooth status button, Bluetooth status light. Here we can accept the calls. Here we can forward the song. Here is the power off and on button, volume down, volume up, battery status, and ambient lighting mode. It's the best speaker under this range, and it costs around 4,500 rupees. In discounts we will get around 3,000 rupees. We'll get it in the description below. We can get the link there. This company has given many LED lights for giving the official look for it, and let's connect it to a phone or tablet, and let's hear the music out of it. Now I'm going to pair the Bluetooth. The Bluetooth is paired with the device. Let's hear a song. This sound is tells us that's the maximum volume that can it reach.
करके बैठ जा तू मेरे वाल फेस करके हत्था विच हत्था नू फड़ा दे ते सोहे बुलाना करे गल प्यार दी करे गल प्यार दी वे छेड़ गल प्यार दी वे करे गल प्यार दी
It's a great output. I'm impressed. I'm impressed with the device. Okay, that's all for this video. Please like and share our channel, and thank you for supporting us.